SQL is declarative, you write what data you want, but not how to retrieve it. The DBMS parser translates your query, and the query optimizer's goal is to find the cheapest execution plan from millions of possibilities before running it. But what is cost? It is a metric representing execution time, primarily dominated by disk block accesses and CPU cycles. Since running every plan to find the fastest is impossible, the optimizer estimates costs mathematically, selecting the plan with the lowest score. To calculate these cost estimates, the DBMS uses the system catalog, which stores crucial table statistics. Key metrics include n_r, the total number of tuples in relation R, and VAR, which represents the number of distinct values for attribute A. For an equality selection like A equals A, selectivity is estimated as 1 over V of a comma R. Multiplying this selectivity by n_r gives us the expected number of matching tuples, allowing the optimizer to predict I/O costs and choose the cheapest execution path.